Okay, so pods are pretty much back into the caliper. So as you can see now, just pushing pliers in between the old pods, just in the middle. I applied enough pressure to put them back. It took me about a minute. Just nice and gently, so you don't damage nothing. Don't put any dust and crap that is on your pots. Now I can take this off. If you're doing this and the pot's not going back evenly, don't worry. Push on top, push in the middle, push on the side, and basically they will back to the position you want them, like this one now. So now I've got enough space to fit new pads, and I will. So I'll take a new pad. Sorry for crap quality, but like I said, I'm recording while I'm doing this, and it's not the best way. I don't have a place to put the camera on, because I'm doing this in front of my house. Okay. When you're changing your pads, there is no reason to mess up with your braking liquid, which this little hose is responsible for. Liquid is applying a pressure to the pods, so they move forward and push the pads. So if your liquid is fine and while you're changing your pads, just check the level, but I don't think there is a reason to mess around with this, unless you feel that your brakes are soft or something is wrong with them, then that might be necessary to change it. But if not, I'm not gonna do it, not right now. So yeah, I will try to put that. I'm gonna cut off probably half of this movie because I'm speaking shit before I publish it, if I publish it. Right, so okay, I cannot do it with one hand, it's way much too difficult. But what's gonna happen now is I'm gonna place new pads into the middle, then obviously put pin back through the hole so it keeps the pads, and there is, like you can see, little hole in it where locking pin can go to hold brake pads into the same position, so it won't be moving, it will not slip out, or so it will stay nice and safe. And yeah, and then pretty much you're ready to install your caliper back and be happy with your brakes and with new pads.